Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Research World, where we discuss and share information about various tips and techniques regarding the use of some of the common softwares and analysis programs that many of us use during the course of our research, as well as various technical issues that we face as a researcher. So today I am going to discuss about one such technical issue that we face while making a large document like a thesis, and that is how to put different header titles on different pages in a Word document. The document that I have opened here is having 3 pages. So if I put a header title here as ABC, the same header title will appear on all 3 pages. But if you wish to put 3 different header titles on these 3 pages, what you have to do? These 3 pages need to be separated by a page break. For that, you have to go to the end of one page, go to page layout, breaks, and click next page. So here you have made a page break between page number 1 and 2. Similarly, for page number 2 and 3 you can make a page break. An extra space will appear which you can remove. So now these 3 pages are separated by a page break, but still these 3 pages are linked. So if you again change the header title of one page, the change will appear on all 3 pages. So now you have to unlink these 3 pages by clicking on the second page and unchecking the option link to previous. Similarly, for unlinking the second and third page, you have to go to the third page and again you have to uncheck link to previous. Now these 3 pages are separated by page break and they are unlinked. So now if you put a different title, like you type here as BCD, and in the third page you type CDE, this will be separate from the first page. So now you have put successfully 3 different header titles. So if you wish to put the same header title between page 1 and page 2, you need not to make any page break here. So similarly, for different sections in your document, like for a thesis, if you want to separate your introduction section from your chapters, you want to separate different chapters and discussion section, then you can make page break by going to the end of one of the section and separating it from the other. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you.